Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making everyone's favorite chocolate cake recipe. This is a super easy 1 bowl, 1 egg recipe. It will only take you 30 to 35 minutes. So please watch the video till the end so you don't miss any step. So let's get started. Here in a bowl, I'm gonna sift in my dry ingredients. Here I'm adding 1 cup of flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you like. And here I'm adding 1 teaspoonful of baking powder. Sieve well. Mix all your dry ingredients well. Once your dry ingredients have been mixed, in the same bowl I'll be adding 1 egg, half a cup of oil, half a cup of milk, and a few drops of vanilla essence. Now here I'll be adding 1/4 cup of hot water. Now mix your wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Mix it gently till you get a lump-free batter. Here our batter is perfectly ready. And scrape down the sides and fold in gently. Now in a greased mold lined with butter paper, I will pour in my batter. Once you have put in your batter into the mold, tap the mold 1 to 2 times to remove any extra air bubbles. Now I will bake my cake in a preheated pot for 35 minutes or until done. While our cake is being baked, now we will prepare our chocolate ganache. Here I've taken half cup of milky chocolate and 1/8 cup of warm cream. Mix well till you get a smooth chocolate ganache. And here our chocolate ganache is perfectly ready. Here our chocolate cake is perfectly done. Remove the cake from the mold. After 15 to 20 minutes, my cake has cooled down. Here I'm adding my chocolate ganache. Spread it evenly through the cake. Here I've added some chocolate flakes on top of my chocolate ganache. You can decorate your cake as you like. And our super soft and moist chocolate cake is perfectly ready in just 35 minutes. You guys have to try this recipe and share with me your feedback. I hope you people enjoyed this recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. And if you have any questions, please mention it down in the comments section down below.